Who are you spending time with? This is a question I have for you, and you should give it some thought. Who are the folks you've been hanging out or relaxing with during the last week? Your friends, family, coworkers, or even neighbors are usually the individuals you spend your quality time with. The people you spend time with have an impact on who you are just as much as your environment does. There is a saying that if you move around 5 fools, you would soon become the 6th fool. It also goes, if you spend time with 5 wealthy friends, soon you'd become the 6th wealthy one. That is to say, we are the average of 5 people we spend our time with. Today, in this video, we'll discuss how to choose your friends carefully, be prepared to lose some of them, and be on the right path to finding fantastic new friends. Because life is communicated mind to mind, your relationships may either keep you down or push you up. There is a practice of an OQP, Only Quality People principle, and Dr. Kenneth Kimbrough stated, if you're the smartest one in your group, you need to get a new group. As a result, it is critical that people enhance their relationships. If you're unsure whether you're spending enough time with the right people, let me ask you 2 questions. The first is, what do you talk about with these people? Do you associate with people who discuss the past, the present, or the future? First and foremost, we all know the guy who only wants to speak about the touchdown he threw as a quarterback in high school, and that's all he talks about, the past. I don't know about you, but when I used to meet up with friends, he'd say, remember that crazy time at Midbrain when we drank so much and did that? I'd say, yeah, I remember that, but that's not why I'm here to see you today. There will always be that individual who is talking about the past. Remember them and cross them off your list because life does not exist in the past. Choose a friend who is not only concerned with the present, no matter how uncertain it may appear, but also with the future, what we are going to achieve, what we could build, and what I want to do with my life. This group of people genuinely cares about you. And not people who, if you tell them bad news, even if they're actually sad, they'll listen and you know they'll listen, take the damn pain, and won't tell you about some worst thing that happened to them defensively, or they won't secretly be happy that you got knocked off your pedestal. Imagine telling a friend you're quitting smoking and then he pulls out a pack of smokes. Is that some sort of joke? It is morally acceptable to choose friends who will help you improve and to avoid folks who will drag you down. A few things to consider when choosing your friends. Real friends will make your life happier. With the company of right and sincere friends, your life becomes more pleasing and content. True friendship has no words to explain its significance and worth. You should find someone who makes your life happy with genuine sensations and thoughts. Those who cause you trouble and are unable to provide you with a sense of delight and satisfaction cannot be your true friends. Even when you're feeling distant, the company of the proper individuals will make every moment of your life enjoyable. The right friend will encourage you. You must carefully evaluate who is with you at the wrong time and provides you with a symbol of courage to deal with unpleasant events. Not just courage, but true and sincere friends will ensure that they will be there for you anytime you need them. They not only say this, but they do it whenever the opportunity arises. With the help and encouragement of genuine people around you, the unpleasant circumstances become less stressful. They may not be able to make things right, but their encouraging attitude will give you the confidence to tackle difficult situations. Determine if you have a good balance of give and take. A healthy friendship has a good balance of giving and taking, and you both feel supported. Try to establish friendships in which there is a balance of give and take and where you do not feel you are giving or taking more than the other person. While some people will do whatever to help and support others, others are takers. They will take someone's time and energy to meet their own demands. While natural givers may appear to be the best option, you should look for friends who can strike a balance between the 2 extremes. Decide if your friends bring out the best in you. Friends should also motivate you to become the best version of yourself possible. They should assist you in focusing on how you can be yourself while achieving your goals. Your pals should serve as your own cheer squad, encouraging you to pursue your dreams. Assume you're applying to law school. A good friend will show interest, support you, and assist you in your preparation, and they'll rejoice when you get in. Determine if you can communicate effectively with your friends. Another crucial part of a strong friendship is positive communication, where you can express your thoughts and feelings without restrictions. You should feel comfortable being yourself with your friends and sharing your thoughts with them. You should not feel compelled to restrict yourself or keep your ideas to yourself around your friends. When you have good friends, they will inform you when you are correct and when you are incorrect, and you should feel at ease doing so in return. When people are depressed about something, they want to communicate their sentiments with anyone who will properly listen to them. Not everyone will listen to you with honesty and accuracy, which emphasizes the necessity of choosing the right friends in your life. Friends can escalate your career growth. It is a blessing if you have supported people in the form of friends around you. They can have a significant impact on your future and career. Honest friends may help you advance in your profession by offering you their honest thoughts, respecting you, and giving you the confidence to achieve whatever you want. Not only do your friends influence your career growth, but they also influence your future growth, so choose wisely. Friends can influence your future choices. Friends provide us with not just emotional support, but also developmental support. If you have sincere, smart, and good friends in your life, their advice and assistance will greatly affect your future decisions. They may enable you to think differently and create a new perspective on life. Your friends' opinions matter a lot to you, and they can genuinely help you attain your ambitions and goals while freeing you from troublesome thoughts. These points touch on the significance of selecting the correct friends in life for you. With genuine friends and company, your life becomes happier and most of your difficulties disappear as a result of their support, kindness, assistance, and encouragement. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.